4.0. Let's get started. The first thing that the update is Layout Inspector. What is Layout Inspector? This is extra button at the bottom of the Android Studio. It could be used for seeing the real-time changes in your device screen. Also, it has components, 3 columns and attributes columns, where you could see more details and setting of your elements. The most interesting part is to see your app view hierarchy and run with advanced 3D visualization is to use this feature. This feature will work only if you run your app on a device with display level 30 or higher. Now this is the screenshot of this layout. You see on the bottom of the screen is Layout Inspector. When you click on that, the bar comes up. This side attributes, select processes, components tree. Components tree describe what components you use in your app, and select process file what may debug, release, or many other processes. This is Layout Inspector. Now see this short video. Layout Inspector. We change and edit anything. Now see, when you click on activity, it will drag and drop, name change, color change, font change, size, attributes, add more things. Now move up next. The next thing is Build Analyzer. What is Build Analyzer? Build Android Studio 4.0 with Android Little Plugin 4.0 and a higher Build Analyzer window help you understand and diagnose issue with your build process, such as disable optimization and improperly configured tasks. As we see in the previous Android version, many Gradle files make error, like Firebase 17.0.2 or GSM modules, camera optimization, and many other Gradle files. Now the second thing is the Build Analyzer. The Build Analyzer windows organize process build on the left. You can touch and click on the to investigate in detail. When you click on the right side, it will show on the right side, and dependencies are used. The second thing in the feature that we should use. The most common and useful feature in the new layout editor. Although this is already part of 3.6 but stable release, but 4.0 beta brings some additional improvements in it. The new layout editor allows you to view your layout files in either only code or split view or code view design at the same time, or only design view. You can switch to mid layout editor with these buttons on the top right of the layout. As we see in the previous version of Android Studio, there are only one button that can show you only two things, like your blueprint and design, but 4.0 show you three buttons, only design and blueprint. Yeah, only blueprint, only code. Let's see. Now see this. Little bit. Now see this on the right of the corner. There are three buttons: design, split, code. The code section is only code. Just blueprint. Now blueprint and design both appear. And design, mostly we use design, not blueprint. Now let's move multi-previous. This is another feature which has come back as it was removed in the previous version. This allows you to view your layouts in different varieties of devices of the same time. Currently, Android Studio provides you to pixel device variations by default. In the previous Android version, this now see this. We use recycle view, linear layout, card view, other multiple things. Okay. Now let's see what's this feature appear. Now we see multiple devices here to see what our output comes in. Single view, only code, and multiple device view. Pixel 3, Pixel 3L, Pixel C, Pixel 3 XL, Pixel 2, and multiple devices. How our output comes. We also discuss and create how these activities work. Now let's move. Thank you for watching. See you in our first project. Follow us on YouTube. Thanks a lot.